Hopefully this doesn't do a Marv.
We'll see.
I said that just for you, Marv.
Yeah.
You tried to kill my table full of airplanes. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Flies better than the Catalina does.
That's not saying much. What trim are you adjusting that far?
This is elevator. Actually, it's not. I was holding the wrong one. There's two trims on this thing. That was a different trim that's not signed to anything. This thing's flying nice. Okay, let's try gyro now. Gyro stabilizing. I can't tell any difference between the gyro and without the gyro.
Hitting the right switch?
Okay, now try a different mode now. Attitude mode. And it's trying to drive it into the ground so they can pull up to hold it up.
I'm gonna get out of that mode.
Out of that mode. That one's going to need a little bit more work. Try high rates. It's like they used to. This thing hovers in a spin. Is that cool or what?
That is very cool. You're actually flying in little circles.
Yeah, you see, it's just like a real airplane. If you give it opposite aileron, it tightens the spin and actually brings the nose up. That's what I'm doing. So I'm in a left spin, I got full right aileron. If I give it full left aileron, it falls back out of it. Oh yeah.
You like it?
Oh yeah. This thing's a freaking beast, man. I haven't flown one of these things in 40 years. See if I can make it crumble. Now, memory serves me correct. It spins better inverted. Yeah, not so much this one. I wonder why that is. It always used to spin better.
Was it set up as a low wing or a mid wing? That's just crazy.
Just like it's supposed to, man. I think the last time I flew one of these is like 85.
Wow.
give it a little bit more aileron. That was an inverted entry into the spin. I just needed to give it more aileron. Let's see what happens if I go the other way, if I get launch slide down.
How much time you got left on your flight?
I don't know, you'll tell me when I get close.
You got a couple of flips there.
Remember how to land this thing. These things don't like to land. They like to bounce, 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 bounce. Yep. Go on. Go back up.
Is that a tip stall?
Yeah, I was starting to stall. Got it come down faster than I thought it would.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Very nice. Very nice.
Bring back some memories.